8 timijiet tal-ogħla livell fid-dixxiplina tal-esports jinsabu Malta biex jieħdu sem f'kampjonat dinji tal-logħba virtwali Counter-Strike Global Offensive, biċ-ċans li jirbħu is-somma ta' $150,000 Amerikan. Dan huwa l-ewwel kampjonat ta' livell dinji li qed jitella f'pajjiżna fis-settur tal-esports, qasam emerġenti ieħor fl-ekonomija ta' pajjiżna. Il-kap eżekuttiv tal-grupp Eden Leisure qal li dan il-kampjonat qiegħed iservi wkoll ta' promozzjoni għal pajjiżna.
The fact that it's going to be viewed by 5 million unique viewers, where we're going to be promoting Malta both as a venue through the support of the MTA as well as the name Malta, is going to be a huge draw to people to see the attractiveness of the country, and hopefully they'll want to be enticed to come here.
Il-kampjonat mifrux fuq 5 tiem qed jattira wkoll diversi studenti li qed isegwu kors Fly Gaming fl-Imkast.
I was really excited to see that Malta is actually involving esports into their works and trying to educate us more about the actual event and how things work around.
Basically, I mean, it's interesting to see how a real gamer lives and manage to make his living out of this industry that it's fairly new and has a lot of where to go. And a lot of places to go.
Is-Segretarju Parlamentari Silvio Xkembri qal li l-Gvern qed jaħdem fuq strateġija ġdida għal dan is-settur li għandu l-potenzjal li joffri karrieri innovattivi.
Mis-sena d-dieħla ħnibdew naraw kif ħammorru b'mod strateġiku biex ikollna aktar events internazzjonali, però mhux biss, ħanaraw inizjattivi wkoll biex niġbdu kumpaniji ġodda lejn Malta u wkoll nagħtu opportunità ta' studju wkoll f'din l-industrija.